Good morning, dear students. How are you? Happy morning to all of you. Let us see. Today I am going to discuss the word problem of the quadratic equation. In my previous lectures, I have given you the fundamental and the basic concepts of the quadratic equation. Now today I am going to discuss the word problem of the quadratic equation. Okay. I hope that you will enjoy. First question is, if the sum of a number, if the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 17 by 4. If the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 17 by 4, then find the numbers. Find the numbers. My question is, if the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 17 by 4, then find the numbers. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Its reciprocal will be is equal to 1 by x. Let the number is x. Its reciprocal will be 1 by x. And according to the question, the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 17 by 4. It means x plus 1 by x is equal to 17 by 4. Now let us see how to solve the question. Is equal to, first you take the LCM upon 1. Here you will write x. 1 divide x, you will get x. X into x, x square, plus x divide x, 1. 1 into 1, 1 is equal to 17 by 4. Now see. Now do the cross multiplication. 4 into x square, 4x square plus 4 is equal to 17 into x, 17x. Now transfer 17x here. So 4x square minus 17x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Now see how to solve the question. What are those numbers? Their multiplication is 4 4 the 16 and addition is 17. 16 1 the 16. So 4x square minus 16x minus 1x plus 4 equal to 0. This is called the method of factorization, or you can say by splitting the terms. Now here you can take 4x common. Here it will be x minus 4. Now minus 1 common. X minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 4 again common. X minus 4. Here 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Either x is equal to 4 and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. It means 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. It means what are those numbers? 4 and 1 by 4. See, according to the question, the sum of a number and its reciprocal. 4 and 1 by 4. Their sum is 17 by 4. And see, according to the question, the sum is 17 by 4. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, good. Now next question. Next question is, the sum of two numbers, the sum of two numbers is 15 and sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10. Find the numbers. Okay, see the question. Question is, the sum of the two numbers is 15. The sum of two numbers is 15 and the sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10. Okay. Now according to the question, the sum of two numbers is 15 given to you. Now you will assume that let one number is equal to x, then other number is equal to as the sum of two numbers is 15. It means sum of two numbers is 15 given to you. One number you have taken x, the other number will be 15 minus x. And according to the question, the sum of their reciprocals. Sum of their reciprocals means 1 upon x plus 1 upon 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. See how. One upon x plus 1 upon 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. Now you take the LCM. LCM will be x into bracket 15 minus x. Now when you divide this, then x will get cancelled. You will get 15 minus x. So 15 minus x into 1 means 15 minus x plus 15 minus x, divide this LCM, you will get x. X into 1, x is equal to 3 by 10 plus x minus x cancel. 15 upon x into 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. Now you can multiply 15 upon x into 15, 15x, x into minus x, minus x square is equal to 3 by 10. Now do the cross multiplication. 3 into 15, 45x minus 3x square is equal to 150. Now minus 3x square plus 45x is equal to 150. You can transfer 150 this side. So minus 3x square plus 45x minus 150 equal to 0. Now you can take minus common from this and you can take 3 also common from here. You can take minus 3 common. In the bracket it will be x square minus 15x plus 50 equal to 0. Now see, minus 3 into x square minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 40, 15 plus 45x. Minus 3 into plus 50 minus 1. Transfer this minus 3 in the denominator. Then it will becomes 0. The equation is now x square minus 15x plus 50 equal to 0. Now you can solve very well. You know, I have already told you. What are those numbers? Their multiplication is 50 and addition it is 15. 10 5s are 50. It means x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 50 equal to 0. These two and these two. X common, x minus 10. Minus 5 common, x minus 10 equal to 0. X minus 10 again common, x minus 5 equal to 0. It means x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 5. It means what are the two numbers? One number will be 10 and other number will be, the sum of the number is 15. So one number will be 10, other number will be 5. This is the solution. Okay. Now next question. The sum of the squares, the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 421. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. This is the question. Now the question is the sum of the squares of the two consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural number means if one number you are taking 11, other will be 12. If you are taking one will be 15, other will be 16. If you are taking one number is 5, other number will be 6. It means you can say if one number is 5, other number will be 5 plus 1. If one number is 11, other number will be 11 plus 1. Let the two consecutive numbers are x comma x plus 1, because just I have told you if one number is 11, other number will be 11 plus 1. If one number is 20, other number will be 20 plus 1. If one number is x, other will be x plus 1. And the sum of their squares means x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to how much given to you? 421. Now here you can apply x square plus here you can apply x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square means you can apply the identity a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? It means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or you can write a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Both are the same thing. What is your a? A is x and b is 1. It means you can apply a plus b whole square. A square means x square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into a into b. So 2 into x into 1. It means plus 2x. Plus b square. B square means 1 square means 1. Is equal to 421. So x square plus x square. 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 421. Okay. Now see here it will be 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 221 equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2x minus 1 minus 221 means minus 220 equal to 0. Now you can take 2 common from this equation. 2 common in the bracket x square plus x minus 110 is equal to 0. Now you can simplify. You take 2 in the denominator, it becomes 0. So x square plus x minus 110 equal to 0. Now what are those numbers? Their multiplication is 110 and our plus minus it gives 1. 11 tens are. It means x square plus 11x minus 10x minus 110 equal to 0. It means x common x plus 11 minus 10 common x plus 11 equal to 0. X plus 11 common x minus 10 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 11 and x is equal to 10. This number you cannot take because this is negative number. And according to the question you want the natural number. And the minus 11 is not the natural number. It is integer. It means x is equal to 10. If x is equal to 10, then the other number will be x plus 1. It means 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. It means what are the two numbers? 10 and 11. I hope this is clear to you. Now one more question I am going to take. See, the sum of the two number is 8. The sum of the two numbers, sum of two numbers is 8, and sum of their reciprocals. Sum of their reciprocals is equal to sum of their reciprocals is 8 by 15. Find the numbers. This is the question. Now see, the sum of the two numbers is 8. It means one number will be x according to the question. The sum of two numbers is 8. It means if you are taking one number is equal to x, then other number will be 8 minus x. Let one number is equal to x. So other number is equal to 8 minus x, and according to the question, sum of their reciprocals, it means 1 upon x plus 1 upon 8 minus x. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon 8 minus x is equal to 8 upon 15. 1 upon x plus 1 upon 8 minus x is equal to 8 upon 15. Let us see how to solve. One upon x plus 1 upon 8 minus x is equal to 8 by 15. Now take the LCM. LCM is x into 8 minus x is equal to 8 by 15. Now when you divide by x, x will get cancelled, 8 minus x is there. So 8 minus x plus 8 minus x divide these two terms will get cancelled, x is there, plus x cancel. It means 8 upon x into 8 minus x is equal to 8 by 15. Now you can transfer 8 in the denominator, or you can cancel 8 here. This is cancelled. Now 15 into 1, 15. This into 1, this. It means 8x minus x square is equal to 15. Now, minus x square plus 8x minus 15 equal to 0. You can take minus sign common. So, x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. So x square minus 8x, transfer minus here because 0 is the same, plus or minus. So x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Now tell me, what are the number? Their multiplication is 15 or plus minus it gives 8. 5 is the 15. So you can take x square minus 8x means 5x minus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. This and this. X common, x minus 5. Minus 3 common, x minus 5 equal to 0. X minus 5 common, x minus 3 equal to 0. It means x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3. It is what are those numbers? X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3. Then the two numbers are 5 and 3. According to the question, the sum is 8. It means 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day. Now listen, my dear students. Now next chapter I am going to take linear equation. I have already given to you one of my lectures, but now I would like to continue the linear equation first. After completing the linear equation, then I will start the arithmetic progression. Okay? All the best. Thank you. Take care.